Okay. I'm Ava Bryant, and I'm shooting cutest kitty in the world. There's Spot. Well, cutest kitties. Kitties. That's Bree, and that's Spot. So can I close up Spot? Hi, boy. She just got afraid. Okay, this is Bree. What do you want? I'm not gonna pick you up. I'm holding a camera. Ugh. There's Spot again. Did I just see her walk? Okay. I'm trying to look for her. Okay, where is she? That's Spot. That's nothing. That's Spot. That's nothing. That's Spot. That's nothing. Spot. Nothing. Spot. Nothing. Spot. Two minutes and 4 seconds. 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Ugh. What is his ears? Okay, let's take a journey in Spot's ears. Okay, he's running away, so can't take a journey in Spot's ears. Oh, there's Bree. There's her. There are her paws. No. Look, girl. Oh, there's some. Okay, you saw Bravery once. Yeah. It's been 3 minutes and 14 seconds. It's going to be 3 minutes and 20 seconds, so I'm just going to say bye.